Hi everyone, welcome back to Carsperience, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we've got something extraordinary lined up for you with the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV is an absolute game-changer, redefining what luxury, performance, and technology mean in the automotive world. So, buckle up because we're going to take a deep dive into everything the Escalade has to offer. Let's start with the design because, let's face it, the Escalade has always been a head-turner, and the 2025 model takes it up a notch. Cadillac has given it a bold, modern look with the commanding front grille, sharp LED lighting, and a more aerodynamic profile. The Escalade still maintains its iconic presence, but it now looks sleeker and more refined. Whether it's pulling up to a red carpet event or your driveway, this SUV is guaranteed to make an impression. Now, stepping to the side, you'll notice those massive 22-inch alloy wheels, which come as standard across all trims. They not only add to the aesthetic appeal but also give the Escalade a confident and robust stance. The design language here is all about elegance meeting power. Under the hood, the 2025 Escalade comes with some serious firepower. You've got multiple powertrain options to choose from. The standard model features a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque. For those who want a more eco-friendly option, there's the Escalade IQ, which is fully electric. It boasts a 200 kWh battery pack and offers an impressive 450 miles of range on a single charge. Cadillac has clearly put a lot of effort into ensuring that the Escalade stays relevant in the age of electrification. If you're into performance, don't worry, Cadillac hasn't left you out. The Escalade V model comes with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine pushing out a jaw-dropping 682 horsepower, 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds in an SUV of this size. That's insane. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving up some winding roads, the Escalade delivers a driving experience that's both powerful and smooth. Let's talk about the interior because that's where the Escalade truly shines. When you step inside, you're greeted by a luxurious and tech-savvy cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a vehicle. The materials are top-notch, with leather, wood, and metal accents seamlessly blending together. It's not just luxury for the sake of it. Everything feels thoughtfully designed and well put together. Now, the showstopper inside the 2025 Escalade has to be the 38-inch curved OLED display. It's essentially 3 screens in one and stretches across the dashboard. The resolution is stunning, and it's incredibly intuitive to use. You've got all your essential info, entertainment options, and navigation right at your fingertips. And yes, it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Passengers in the back aren't left out either. The second and third row seats are spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom and headroom. Plus, you've got the option for rear seat entertainment screens, which are perfect for keeping the kids or even adults entertained on long trips. And let's not forget about the 36-speaker AKG studio reference sound system. It's like having a concert hall on wheels. In terms of cargo space, the Escalade remains as practical as ever. With all the seats up, you get about 25.5 cubic feet of space. Fold down the third row, and it expands to 72.9 cubic feet. If you need maximum storage, folding down both the second and third rows gives you a massive 121 cubic feet of cargo room. Whether you're hauling luggage, sports gear, or even furniture, the Escalade has you covered. Safety is another area where the 2025 Escalade excels. Cadillac has equipped it with its latest suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. It also features Cadillac's Super Cruise, which is one of the best hands-free driving systems on the market. Whether you're on a long highway drive or stuck in traffic, Super Cruise makes the journey so much easier and stress-free. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade starts at around $81,000 for the base luxury trim. If you want the premium luxury trim, which adds more features and a touch of extra elegance, it'll set you back about $89,000. The Platinum trim, which is the epitome of Escalade luxury, starts at $105,000. For those who are all about performance, the Escalade V starts at a hefty $150,000, but it's worth every penny for what you get. Finally, the fully electric Escalade IQ starts at $130,000 and is a fantastic option if you're looking for a more sustainable luxury vehicle. So, who is the 2025 Cadillac Escalade for? Honestly, it's for anyone who wants the best of the best in the full-size SUV segment. Whether you're looking for a family vehicle, a status symbol, or just a ridiculously comfortable and capable ride, the Escalade delivers on all fronts. It's big, bold, and unapologetically luxurious. But, of course, no vehicle is perfect. One thing to keep in mind is the size. The Escalade is a massive SUV, and it might not be the easiest to maneuver in tight city streets or cramped parking lots. Also, while the price is justified by what you get, it's definitely on the higher side, so it might not fit everyone's budget. In summary, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade is a masterpiece. Cadillac has managed to take everything that made the Escalade iconic and elevate it to new heights. Whether you're looking at the stunning design, the powerful engine options, the tech-filled interior, or the cutting-edge safety features, the Escalade delivers on all fronts. So, that's our take on the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. What do you think? Is this the ultimate luxury SUV, or do you have other contenders in mind? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Carsperience, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.